One of the concerns I have with Christian families is that they learn to love Christ's church. Christ loves the church. Christ died for the church. And when I speak of the church, I mean the visible, assembled body of believers, the one that you're accountable to, the one that you participate in, the one that you gather together for worship with, the one in which you're commanded to care for one another's needs, to take care of the household of faith. Frequently, people have used as an excuse not being faithful to church, not being faithful to worship because they want to spend more time with their family. And I just want to exhort and encourage every family to recognize that when you spend time in church, gathering together as a family, with the family of families, the family of God in the church, you are not wasting time. You are not spending quality family time. You are spending the greatest time as a family that you possibly can. And everything else in life will flow from that when you have a right perspective of Christ and His church and you learn to love what Jesus loves.